Hi. Today I'm going to show you the Alerts tab in the Rating Captain application, which is extremely useful for managing information about changes to your online reputation. In this section, you will find all forced changes, internal pending changes, and past changes on your business cards that are relevant to maintaining a positive online image. Forced changes are changes that are mostly external organic, which means that they can result from actions that are not under your direct control. Here you can easily check whether the change was made by you or an outsider, such as competitors or third parties, allowing you to react quickly and maintain control over your online presence. If you want to reject this operation, simply decline it and the change won't be visible. Remember to make all changes like opening hours, location, or metadata directly in the app. This ensures they take effect. Report any issues you notice right away to avoid future complications. This helps keep everything running smoothly. Pay attention to app notifications as they might have important info or directions for further action. If you need more information on this, just click How it works. You will find detailed information on exactly how this functionality works when it's enabled. You will learn what benefits it brings and how you can take full advantage of it. This will help you make an informed decision.